Happy Friday. I was gonna say Monday. Happy Friday. How's everyone doing today? What up? Happy Friday. Yeah, I know it's weird that I'm here on a Friday, but I wanna see if the market is gonna fill the gap below. That's what I wanna trade. I wanna see if SPY is gonna fill the gap below and we can have that 520 retest, 520.50 around there. See. The queue it's the queue almost filled the entire gap, but SPY still needs like go down like one more dollar. Maybe we have it today. That's what I'm hoping. Yeah, me too, Sarkis. Hopefully we have a good price action today. Let's see. Let's see how it's gonna be. What is Mara doing? Hmm. Okay, so Nvidia, Microsoft, kind of going down. Pretty much the same levels from yesterday. 207 on IWM. Microsoft yesterday slow. Nvidia yesterday slow. I want to see coin reacting to 60. The Russell is looking strong. Coin is very strong. The Q is trying to be bullish here. It needs to break yesterday's low. It's still under yesterday's low. And SPY, it's kind of fighting also yesterday's low. Whoa, that's a big sell-off on Microsoft. Morning, morning. Morning, Habibi. Okay. I like the reaction on coin. I got the 255 puts um on coin for today and for for next week. I'm getting the 250. Stop loss is that morning high. So stop loss is above 260. Whoa. I'm already up 20% on those coin puts. That was weird. I got feel very good. Now 10%. That's it. So I wanna see coin under this level here. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, I like that reaction of Microsoft. Okay, spies holding yesterday's low, fighting there. So if we see it, keep holding it, maybe breaking this high, it's pretty bullish. If it keeps rejecting, it's bearish. The Q is still under yesterday high. I'm sorry, yesterday's low, which will be around this level here, and that's bearish. If I trade futures, I'm gonna trade with um I'm gonna trade with 300K evaluation accounts that I need that I want to pass. They're only up like 1K, even under 1K, so I want to work on those three. And today is Friday, so it's better to take it easy. Buenos dias, Mark. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna trade futures with 300K evals, not P today. PA today, not PA. So far we have nothing. Let's be patient here. I do like this coin setup. And I really want to see the market filling this entire gap here. So we can trade a bounce out of Thursday high, which is previous all-time high on SPY. And it is 444 on the Q. I like how IWM is holding very, very good. It was very strong yesterday. So, and it's above 207, which is my level of previous resistance. Now, yesterday act as support. So that's the level to watch there. And I want to see Microsoft holding 427. Yeah, watching IWM. So, pre-market high, it's above 208.65, and that was yesterday high, kind of. Let's put a kind of resistance there. Okay, SPY. SPY is just like super bullish. And the Q so far is having trouble. Mm, So let's see here. Q has, this is the resistance that the Q has. Yesterday's low, for yesterday's low. Needs to break that to be, for me to be bullish on the Q, needs to break that level. Spike is projecting yesterday's low. Enjoy your weekend, Mark. See you on Monday. What's Nvidia doing? Okay. So I think I'm gonna go with a NQ short. 444 is my target, or maybe this pre-market low. Okay, I like that. Okay. I'm gonna sell one there. Yeah, I want to see the Q touching at least pre-market low, which is pretty much near 444, and that will be the gap fill. The SPY still needs to go to 520, at least 520.70, 520.66, something like that. Mm, Come on, just go lower. Go lower. So technically, SPY and the Q are bearish. Both rejected yesterday's low, and yeah, under VWAP, but it's just kind of holding there. I want to see some continuation here. Okay, SPY getting weaker. That's what we want to see. Finally breaking down. Like intraday, it's not like I'm waiting for a huge sell-off day. Only the gap fill. Coins looking beautiful. Microsoft needs to hold 427. If not, it's gonna go for the gap also. Maybe we need Nvidia to lose the VWAP. Come on, just go lower. A little bit lower. Little bit. Little bit more. Get it out. That thing is just like too choppy. I don't like that it has no continuation. Maybe bounce here, goes to VWAP and reject there, but I wanted to see like more bearish candlesticks here. I don't like this 5-minute candle here on SPY. It's too close, more bearish and under. I want to see SPY under pre-market low. So now the gap is this space here. It's kind of like $1 gap. Okay, Nvidia is losing it, so if it closes under the VWAP, we may get like a bigger sell-off, but it's still fighting the VWAP. Coins looking pretty bearish, which is very good for our trade. 245. It will be my PT for the weeklies. Yeah, before I'm gonna take profits on the weeklies before 245.50, around 246. Looking beautiful coin. Okay, Mara. I don't like how Mara is so weak, so I'm getting out of the Mara swing trade. 75% up on the coin weeklies. I don't know what time you guys, I said it here on the stream live. Exactly. That coin setup, like that coin play, um is the only chart that I was looking to trade today, besides the gap fill on Spina Q. And and I explained it to my students last night on the mentoring class. Coin was perfect sample of a shooting star setup. Yeah, I think I entered coin on the first uh 5 minute candle there. Yeah, before that 5 minute candle closed, because yeah, around 9:33, around there. And I got a really good field because my contracts, I bought my contracts at 3.80 and now are up almost 64%. I'm gonna put coin here. Yeah, Nvidia is holding. I think that's gonna make the Q not go lower. If Nvidia keeps looking bullish, I think Nvidia is gonna keep holding. I'm sorry, I think the Q is gonna keep holding. Yeah, Nvidia is flagging and it looks bullish. So I think Nvidia is a good entry here at VWAP. The PT will be yesterday high, which is around this level here, this red level here. I don't like the move on coin. I want to see coin keep under the VWAP. I don't want to see a bullish engulfing candle there. BA. Uh, I wouldn't say took off. Look, those 5 minute candles are very wiki. But BA had a falling wedge, which is bullish. You guys see the daily? Look at this. Perfect falling wedge. I'm watching 207 on IWM. And if the Q can go above yesterday's low, around this I will say 446. I will feel more comfortable if can use 446 as support. That will be extremely bullish and we can play the upside here. But if just moving inside these two levels, there's not really a trade for me. Only if you guys want to like scalp and rejection here and buy calls here. But yeah, we want to see it breaking this level. I would like it more if it can break 446. Yeah, I want to see coin rejecting here. Okay, Microsoft is looking, okay, Microsoft is giving us a very good entry. I'm not gonna play Microsoft because I already in next week's calls, but Microsoft, it keeps holding this level here. That's yesterday's low. Could be very bullish. And I would prefer to get contracts for next week, not for today. But it needs to hold yesterday's low. If not, it's gonna go for the gap. Why do I have 522.80 here? 522.80. What is that level there? I don't know. Must be 522.50. Yeah, that's today's high. Okay, I like the reaction on coin. I like that. Stream choppy. Looks fine on my end. Okay, awesome. Very good. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of profits here on the weeklies on coin, even though still looks pretty good. But yeah. If we have a bearish reaction here, coin is gonna die. But I don't know about that because Nvidia is very, very strong. choppy price action again. Hmm, not much to trade here. It is weird because if we had this type of consolidation but at yesterday's low, I will say it's pretty bullish. But it's still under yesterday's low, which is technically bearish. So basically, we want to see the Q holding this level here as support, and SPY will be this 522.50. Okay, I'm all out on the weeklies on coin, holding next week's, and I'm not gonna sell unless it breaks this morning high. Google, let's see. Um, Google looks crazy bullish, but it's too late. It's too late. The entry was in this retest of 150.50. That's too late. Yeah, it's gonna go for this for 153 point, yeah, 153. If can breaks 153, like if it does a break and retest at 153, that could be another entry, but you have resistance at 154, and then basically all these highs here are resistance. So you have all this resistance here. So the entry was on the retest in the morning, this second 5-minute candlesticks here. This one. That was the entry. It's too late now. Microsoft is looking fantastic so far. And we still have nothing from SPY in the queue. We want to see coin rejecting the VWAP. Nvidia, what a beauty. This was a perfect entry at the view up here. If it breaks yesterday high, Nvidia's gonna boom to at least 952, 950. Needs to break this resistance here. Yeah, I'm walking. I'm doing my like 12K, 15K steps for the day. Anyone got Microsoft on that hold of support? That was beautiful. Super easy. Very good risk to reward. Look at that. Beautiful. Why you want Nvidia to give it up? I want Nvidia to keep going. I have calls for next week. Okay, so the Q, it's near 446. That's the level we want. I want to see the Q holding 446. Nvidia needs to break close strong at this resistance. Looks like it wants to. Maybe we have some little bit of consolidation around here and then breaks out. Hmm. Okay, we have a reaction there on the Q. Still under yesterday's low, which is bearish. So hi, welcome. Welcome. No, it's futures and options. But you can trade shares, stocks. Well, you can trade shares watching the channel. But yeah, this is stocks, not forex or crypto. That was a strong reaction on the Q. out of yesterday's low. So yeah, let's be patient here and see like if Nvidia is gonna break that resistance or spy in the queue. And coin is fighting the view up. Maybe he's doing a bear flag there. Um, the thing is like I don't watch futures chart. Only SPY trade futures based on SPY and QQQ. I don't watch NQ or ES. Come on, coin, just die there. Just go to 245. SPY just moving in a very tight range here. Let's take out this. So what's it gonna be today, SPY? You're gonna fill the gap or you're gonna retest yesterday high? I think SPY in the queue wants to go lower, but Nvidia is not allowing the market go lower. I think Nvidia is the only one that is holding up SPY in the queue. When I show my options entry, what do you mean? I always say when I'm entering options. Oh, what a boring day. Another boring morning. This week it's me, or this week it's been a little bit difficult to trade. At least I feel like I had trouble trading this week, trouble trading futures this week. Not so much with options, but yeah, with futures I had a little. Yeah, I think this entire week it's been kind of tough. Yeah. What website? No, I don't. Oh, that was when I was doing the small account challenge on 2023. Yep. I think we have Powell speaking today also, right? At what time? I completely forgot about that. Mm. Oh, he's already talking. At 9, he spoke at 9. Oh no, we have at 12, we have another Fed speaking. So, what is. Okay, so we had Powell at 9, and then we had this one talking at 12. I'm gonna be done before 12, so I think we're good. Oh, okay, okay. So yeah, the E-Trade account was this small account here. This one here. Was this one. Yeah. But honestly, like to be honest, yeah, I can do a small account, but honestly, I don't have like too much time. Like to do a small account, I need to be all in on that account, and I'm doing too many things right now. So if I keep doing a small account, it's not gonna be good enough. And I want to do a small account challenge that I'm 100% in it, because small accounts, no matter how good trader you are, it are very difficult, because you need to be extremely picky with your entries and with your setups. So yeah, I don't have time right now to do that. I'm I'm like 80% um focused on my account on futures, trading futures, and 20, I would say 50% on my account and 50% on the mentoring that I'm doing right now. So I don't have time for to do a small account at this time. Yeah. Mm, mm, mm. So yeah, nothing. This is super boring. Nothing. Let's see what Meta doing. Meta is looking super bearish. If keeps under, yeah, Meta looks super bearish. Still under rejecting yesterday's low. So basically, if it this is the level, this is the area to watch. It's either gonna hold that as support and keep going higher, or keeps rejecting and most likely retest 500. Yeah, Nvidia's looking pretty good. Pretty good. What, what the heck? What? Why is the trading view acting weird? It just, I don't have any levels now on Nvidia. That's weird. What the heck? Okay, so we have this flag breakout. Um, we have yesterday high here. We have yesterday's low. That's the level to watch. And then this is the resistance here. Most likely, if can break, really break and hold yesterday high, most likely it's gonna move to this week and retest all-time high. The next target is your next resistance. That's how you go with targets on anything. Next resistance. Mm, this. Let's see shit. Okay. So let's put here 526. Okay, if you can hold that, we have a little bit of resistance here also, 950. And then this one. Yeah, so that's the level we want to see Nvidia holding. The next one I see is 950. And then all-time high. Ooh, coin. Looking beautiful. MU, I don't like trading MU. And I don't like that stock. But congrats, if you have anything over 50%, it's amazing. So congrats, Mark. The weather today here is so bad, it's raining. I wanted to go to the beach, but it's raining. It's black outside. Oh, my computer is acting up. It's super slow. I don't know why. I think it's the because of all the videos that I'm saving, all the YouTube videos that I'm saving, the Zoom classes. I need to buy an extern um yeah memory. Yeah. Oh yeah. Nvidia is rejecting this level. Look at the 30-minute time candlesticks. If it closes like that, that is not bueno for Nvidia, and that is amazing for our coin puts. Look how many times the Q and SPY rejected yesterday's low. This was a perfect rejection of yesterday's low. Look at this. Levels, 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 levels. Come on, coin, just die. Give me 245. Give me 245. Mm -mm. If coin goes to 245, I'll take profit on I will sell everything that I have on coin for next week and I'll be done. I think Bitcoin is going for our previous all-time high. Let's see. Anybody here trades Bitcoin? I don't trade Bitcoin, but ooh, the head and shoulder that I talked about last night on the Zoom class on coin. It is. We have head, left shoulder, right one. Needs to break this neck here, the neck here. Okay, let's see which one, what's previous all-time high? I think it's around 61, 62K. Oh no, it's here. Yeah, 69. It's almost 70. 70. Yeah, that's previous all-time high. Ooh, that's exactly where the shoulders rejected. So you can pretty much trade anything if you know how to read charts. Mm, yeah. Oh, really? I don't trade Bitcoin. I buy. It's like a long-term um hold for me. I buy a lot whenever it pulls back like 5% or over 5%, and then just I pretty much buy the dip on Bitcoin. Okay, so Nvidia is consolidating at this level. I think that's pretty bullish. I think we can have another leg up here. Consolidating here. That's bullish. If not, it's gonna go down and retest the VWAP. Come on, coin, just go lower. STD hard drive. What's that, Donnie? I know nothing about computers. So I buy Macs because I never had a virus on my Macs, and I hate Windows because of that. But nothing else. I don't know anything else. Ooh, I can see 16 terabytes. Okay, so I think 16 TB is pretty good, right? That's a lot. That's enough, maybe? I don't know. 12, 16. Yeah, I'll look into it later today. Oh, SSD. 16 TB? Okay. 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 I'll look into it later today. So yeah, the market is doing nothing. But this rejection here on SPY and this rejection here on the Q, that was a good entry. Like if you guys had a entry here, I think that was a perfect entry to play the downside. And it kind of looks like a weird head and shoulder here. Oh, thank you, Mike. Yeah, remember to like the videos. Under 100, it's 16 TB. All that I saw are like over 200. Yeah, I don't play IPOs. And I don't think Reddit is worth buying, honestly. It's a cool website, but nothing else. Just like I never understood why people were buying Snap on 2023. Like, no reason to buy a Snap on 2023. And even worse, if you bought a Snap this year. 16 TV ain't gonna be cheap. Yeah. Come on, Spy, are you gonna give me the gap? It's taking forever. We need just bloodbath here, fast, so we can play a bounce. Maybe. If nothing happened here at 11, I'm leaving. Come on, just die already. This is getting so boring. Yeah, this is getting so boring. Don't tell me that the spine here are gonna take like 3 days to fill a gap. This is so dumb. So dumb. But again, it's Nvidia. I think the market wants to go lower, it's just Nvidia is holding up. I don't trade on Fridays, so me being here is already like it's weird. I don't like trading Fridays. Fridays most of the time are super choppy, very slow, weird. We just had a few good Fridays the past few days, but Fridays most of the time are like that. Why is coin fighting this downtrend? So I want to see coin keep rejecting this level here. Yeah, one thing we know for sure is the market is moving to the right. Okay, do we have continuation here? Just do it, SPY. Oh yeah, IWM definitely weak. But I'm not gonna trade. I don't think I want to trade any more futures other than after buying the Q fill the gap. And I'm very, very patient here. Ooh, this is pre-market low. Pre-market low we have here. Nvidia. Nvidia. Okay. Let's see how Nvidia is gonna react to the VWAP. Another bounce. Another hold. It's almost 11, so I'm almost leaving. Come on, SPY, just do it before I leave. Just do it. Yeah, it's holding pre-market low. We have a little bit more for the gap to get filled. And that's it. Ooh, that reaction on Nvidia, it means that it doesn't want to go lower. Nvidia is holding, yeah, it's holding pretty good. So we might have another bounce, or Nvidia is gonna keep consolidating here. But look how it's holding this high here. That's yesterday high. It's trying to hold there. It's trying. If it loses the VWAP, it done so. So far, it's consolidating above. I kind of feel like the moment I leave, SPY and the Q are gonna move. Like, for real. But I want to stay because I want to see coin at 245. At least 246. And just log my profits there. And finally, finally, we have a SPY breaking this pre-market low. Or maybe not. Maybe yes. Maybe not. The trade today, I think it was playing this reaction here of yesterday's low on SPY, or the Q is just like too choppy. Come on, SPY, just die. We have over 130 people here and not and barely 50 likes. What is like? What is that? It's a trap? Maybe I'm not trading that. I'm not trading that. I hate choppy days. Yeah, Nvidia is super bullish. Very bullish. Look at that. If this 30-minute candle is gonna close like that, it means Nvidia is gonna keep going higher. Like that reaction there. These 30-minute candles still have um almost 12 more minutes to close, but if closes like that, that's extremely bullish. But anything can happen in 11 minutes. Okay, so Microsoft is looking pretty weak right now. It loses 427. It's gonna go for the gap till 426. So if I see SPY closing strong on this 5 minute candle, I might take a little scalp to the upside. It depends how this candlestick close and how the next one opens. Let's see. Okay, looks like it's rejecting 521.40. Faulty? Ooh, okay, okay. Thank you, Donnie. Okay, I'll do that. Yeah, okay. Just die SPY already. Go, die, go, go. You need a little bit more down. Go, go already. Microsoft is dying. Microsoft, it's about to lose morning low. But man, Nvidia keeps holding. Coin die already. Whoop. Yeah, looks like Nvidia is not gonna let the market go lower. That's what I'm looking. Okay, Microsoft is dying. Um, I think I'm gonna hold Microsoft. I'm gonna hold it for the gap. Those contracts are gonna be down a lot, but I still like Microsoft. Look at Nvidia. It's about to break out. That consolidation was beautiful on Nvidia. Look that breakout. Yeah, I'm willing to hold Microsoft on this gap fill because I had a very good um, profit yesterday with the weeklies. It's not the best decision, but I still like Microsoft. I still like the Microsoft uptrend on the daily time frame. Come on, SPY. Do it. Do it. Do it already. Go. FTX had. I was so sad because I was looking to trade FTX gap. The thing is, FTX had earnings yesterday, so I was not gonna hold for earnings. Um, but yeah, look at this beauty of a gap. Look at this huge, huge gap. FTX was beautiful gap, beautiful falling wedge. I played the falling wedge here, and then I was looking for the gap, but it got too late because it took forever to fill this, to go for this gap, and it had earnings yesterday, so I couldn't hold that into earnings. But yeah, look at this. But it still has, so it kind of filled this gap, but it still has a gap here. So now we have FTX has a gap here. This is still a huge gap. Big gap. We can say it has a little bit of support um, around here, maybe. Yeah, 280. Yeah, and it definitely has some resistance here, what it is right now. So if can hold this resistance here as support, we can say it's pretty bullish. I'm gonna put an alert under 280. Yeah, Nvidia's looking extremely bullish. It has under 2 minutes to close this 30-minute candle, and so far it's looking pretty bullish. Bathroom break. That's your decision, Justin. That's your decision. You should you should follow your plan and your stop loss. That's your decision. That's on you. Yeah, the gap is now smaller. Well, SPY could definitely just hold here and then not fill the entire gap because that happened before. I've seen gaps not getting filled entirely. So it's 11 o'clock. SPY is still doing nothing, not much. The Q is doing nothing. Nvidia is looking pretty bullish, like extremely bullish. So it's gonna be difficult for SPY and the Q um, to keep going lower. And yeah, this is getting super boring. Um, Yeah, so I'm holding my coin for next week. My stop loss is morning high. This high, I want to see it under 260. As long as under 260, I'm still holding my coin for next week. I already took profits on all my coins weeklies. And yeah, I'm done. This is super boring price action. Like SPY play was to play this rejection here, but still it's too choppy. It's very difficult to get in something that is so choppy and very easy for me to say, oh, this was the entry, because obviously we're looking what happened after. But yeah, choppy price action, no trade for me. Small, like $400 on these three evaluation accounts from Apex, and I'm done. See you guys on Monday. Thank you for being here. Bye.